dangerous places just to get videos on your phone. I know. You're in the wrong neighborhood. Or maybe I've been watching too much TV. It's better to be paranoid than to be caught